Hello and welcome to Spoiled by Coco. My name is Apurvi and in this channel we bake eggless recipe. So let's get baking.
For almond praline, in a pan take 40 gram of sugar. Add 7 ml water. Keep the pan on low heat and let the sugar melt and caramelize to golden brown in color. We are using wet caramel method to make praline. Once done, add 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, which is optional. Mix it in. Now add 45 grams of roasted almond, which I have lightly roasted in a pan. Mix them in such that the caramel coats the almonds well. Now transfer this to a silicone mat or a baking paper. I'm going to spread it thin with the help of my spatula so that it can cool faster. Once it cools and hardens like this, chop it into smaller pieces. Doing so makes it easier to grind it into a paste. Transfer the smaller pieces into a blender and blend it. Since I'm using a general home appliance and not a professional one, I'm going to check it every minute or so. With the help of my spatula, I'm going to scrape sides and blend it further till I get a smooth paste. You can also make it chunky. It may take some time in your home mixer grinder, but keep in mind not to overwork your appliance. If it turns hot, switch it off, wait for the motor to cool down and then proceed. Transfer to an airtight container and refrigerate till use.
Please like and subscribe to my channel for more such eggless recipes.
For the hazelnut praline, the method is pretty much the same. In a pan, add 40 grams of sugar and 7 ml water. Let it caramelize. Here I am not adding any vanilla extract. Now add 40 grams of roasted hazelnut and mix it with spatula such that they are properly coated with caramel. Transfer to a silicone mat and let them cool. Once cooled, chop them into smaller pieces and grind them to make praline. If it is difficult to process the caramelized hazelnut into a paste, once done, transfer to an airtight container and refrigerate till use. Our almond and hazelnut praline are ready. Thank you for watching Spoiled by Coco.